Think about what I can show you today if you have got neck wrinkling starting. So you want to actually address them as soon as you can. For an example, if you start to see it crinkling and everything already and you're early of age, then you're probably sleeping on it weird, or you've got some TMJ issues or something like that. So let's go ahead and use the small tooth tool. I'm actually looking for the face blaster also, which could be a nice tool to use right now. Uh-huh. So I'm going to actually start at my clavicle, and I'm go straight up and down soon as I get right in the middle of that chest plate. And I'm trying to release the platysma muscle that is going from in between our breast to our jawline, bottom of our lips. So I'm warming up from side to side, getting this moving. So I'm literally going from the middle of my chest cavity to the outside of my shoulder girdle. Then I like to take the tool and I'm flickering up, flicker. Really light, really light. And then I come over on the sides where it's got more tension, and I'm actually going hard, cleaning those lymph lines down, cleaning what I call cleaning, kind of where I'm bringing out the tension out of it. I like to lean towards it. Instead of away, lean towards it so I can get in between things. Then come up and scrub underneath the jaw, back to the jaw, back. Then you can take this around to the back side of the neck, the tension out of the back side of the neck. If you've got a thicker tissue in your chest cavity, I like to then use the Pro Nugget. Okay, so it's really good for breaking down some of the tension that we get in our pec major, pec minor. So you're going cross fiber over to the corner and then up and down. So getting pec minor and major. If these are tight and these are pulling down, this is pulling down on your neck, accelerating your aging. Okay, then I take the two teeth, go right up the center. And then cross fiber to those tension spots on each side of my neck, and then up and back, going up and down at the back of my neck, putting my vertebra right in between here. Okay. That is a fast way to bring up your neck, get your jowls up where they used to start, right? Years and years ago. I hear you. Okay, you guys, I hope you found that helpful. Have a great day.